Okay, this shiny looking brand new screen filter which we use in our drip irrigation. See, like inside out, like how new it is. There is no accumulation of dust or anything. It's completely clean. Okay, I'm not sure whether you're able to see. Yeah, see how clean it is, right? So once we put into this drip irrigation, soon it will become like this. Okay, this is how it looks like after some time of continuous use. And if you see the inner side, see how see the dust accumulations and everything. See, it's completely clogged. Okay, and this guy will soon turn into something like this. So how do we clean? We just immerse this into EM solution. I will show you in a moment. Yes, this is a PVC pipe, and we have a dummy at the bottom, and then we pour just normal water and then add some EM to it. And then we keep that clogged screen filter inside it, and then cover it with a cloth, and then we just leave it for months together. And when the new one gets clogged, we just replace that here and take this one.